Zobo Drink, a traditional beverage in Nigeria made from dried hibiscus flowers, is also incredibly healthful. Cloves are a crucial component that improves the nutritional value and flavor of Zobo Drink. Cloves, which are prized for their aromatic and therapeutic capabilities, significantly improve the flavor and health benefits of this classic beverage. The numerous benefits that cloves provide to Zobo Drink, from their antioxidant qualities to their function as a natural preservative, will be discussed in this video. This makes it an incredibly healthful and enjoyable drinking choice. So welcome back to Green Health Channel, my lovelies. How have you guys been? I hope you've been good. I hope you've been taking good care of yourselves. All right, so today we are going to be looking at the benefits of cloves in Zobo drink. For those of you who don't know what Zobo drink is, another name for it is hibiscus tea or hibiscus drink. So let's go straight to the video. So cloves and Zobo drink, just imagine the combination. Close your eyes, think about a bright, zesty, and cool drink that is a mainstay in many Nigerian residences and gatherings. That's the Zobo drink for you, a delicious concoction of spices, hibiscus petals, and tones of goodness. Yeah. So now let's talk about cloves and the cloves function in Zobo drink. Why? Why must we put cloves in our Zobo drink, or what benefit do we derive from including it in the drink? Alright, these little powerhouses of spices are comparable to the unidentified component that gives the Zobo drink its extraordinary flavor. Cloves give this drink a distinct twist with their warm, fragrant flavor. Just imagine a Zobo drink without cloves. I don't want to think about that taste. All right, so the number one function of clove is anti-inflammatory qualities. Cloves are powerful anti-inflammatory agents that do more than just enhance flavor. When you sip that clove-infused Zobo drink, you are not only quenching your thirst, but also providing your body with a good helping of anti-inflammatory properties. There is also the antimicrobial benefit. Those bothersome germs can disappear because cloves are ready to come to the rescue. Yeah, cloves have antibacterial properties that help keep your stomach happy and healthy. So adding them to your Zobo drink does more than just improve the taste. They also support the immune system. Each and every sip of the clove-infused Zobo drink will strengthen your immune system. Rich in antioxidants, these spicy gems help bolster your body's defenses and ward off those pesky viruses. Who knew that maintaining one's health could be so tasty? And also, there's a video I made about how you can boost your immune system with some certain food that were discussed in that video. I'll put the link here, so just check it out. What about the nutritional value of the cloves in the Zobo drink? Cloves contains vitamins and minerals. Not only do cloves taste good, but they also pack a nutritional punch in the Zobo drink. They are full of vitamins and minerals that will give your body a little extra goodness. Salutations to wellness and taste in every glass. Please subscribe. So the role of dietary fiber. Another benefit that we are looking at is, you know, providing some dietary fiber that your body actually need even in that drink. So if you want to improve your fiber intake, you only need to look at the cloves in your Zobo beverage. These little fellows have a lot of nutritional fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Who knew that a delicious beverage could be a major source of fiber? Clove as a natural preservative. Zobo drink uses cloves as a natural preservative. Their antimicrobial action or properties help them enable to actually preserve from bacteria thriving or acting in the drink. So when it comes to keeping your Zobo drink fresh, cloves have you covered. Throw away those fake preservatives. Their inherent antibacterial qualities give your favorite beverage more taste while also extending its shelf life. Who knew that a spice could save so many lives? Fragrant properties of cloves. Using cloves to enhance the flavor of the Zobo drink. Not only can cloves provide visual appeal to your Zobo drink, but they also pack a powerful fragrance punch. Your Zobo drink's flavor profile is elevated by their warm, sweet, and subtle peppery flavor, making every sip a delightful experience. Harmonizing taste in the Zobo drink. The flavors of your Zobo drink are expertly balanced by the addition of cloves. They provide a subtle heat that balances the hibiscus acidic flavor, resulting in a well-balanced combination of producing a well-balanced spicy, acidic, and sweet flavors. Your mouth becomes a flavorful dance party. So the Zobo drinks gloves also helps to improve digestive health. Properties of digestive aids is one of the benefits derived from cloves. They are more than just a gorgeous face in your Zobo drink. They provide significant benefit for your digestive system. The ability of the spice superpowers to calm your stomach and encourage healthier digestion has long been recognized. They help to ease digestional discomfort. Cloves can help ease intestinal discomfort, so try adding some to your Zobo drink. Cloves are said to make your gut feel happy and content by reducing indigestion, gas, and bloating. Who knew that a common spice could be so invaluable for stomach issues? The antioxidant capabilities of Zobo Cloves drink. The function in combating free radicals. Not only can cloves offer flavor to your Zobo drink, but they are also a powerful source of antioxidants. These microscopic spice warriors assist your body in combating free radicals, shielding your cells from oxidative stress and damage. Those bothersome free radicals are gone. Advantages of antioxidants for general health. Not only will adding cloves to your Zobo drink improve its flavor, but it will also benefit your general health. Cloves' antioxidant qualities can strengthen your heart's health, boost your immune system, and even give you more radiant skin. It is like enjoying a tasty and healthful glass. Well, in conclusion, adding cloves to Zobo drink enhances both its nutritious value and the complexity of its flavor profile. Whether it is consumed for its taste or for its digestive aiding or antioxidant qualities, the next time you enjoy a glass of Zobo drink, remember to appreciate the whole health advantages of cloves and enjoy their delicious flavor. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let us know how you like your Zobo drink, with or without clove. Also, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. If you haven't seen the video on clove tea and how you can prepare it or how you can make it, I'll leave the link for you up here so you can do well to check it out. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.